Hello everyone, and welcome to Pristine Products' Piprd floor sign installation and durability demo. Here at Pristine Products, along with all of our other products and services, we offer our Piprd floor signs, which are our toughest and most durable floor signs on the market. They are extremely durable, easy to install, and clean up great. Here at Pristine Products, we have the ability to create any graphic or message you could want on a floor sign in any shape, size, or color. And in this video, we'll show you how to install one of our Piprd floor signs, as well as show you how durable and rugged they are in an industrial setting. For installation, you'll first need to locate your desired floor sign location and ensure that it is clean, dry, and above 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you will need to peel off some of the liner on the back of the sign by pulling on the blue tab that's located on the edge of the sign. This will slowly pull away some of the liner from the adhesive. Place this uncovered section of adhesive in place and rub your hand in a back and forth motion, making sure not to trap any air bubbles between the sign and the ground. Then repeat this motion over the entirety of the sign while you slowly continue to remove the rest of the liner. Once this is done and the whole sign is adhered to the floor, you have successfully installed your Piprd floor sign. In this next section, we'll show off how durable our Piprd floor signs really are, by doing as much damage as we can to the sign we just installed and seeing how well it holds up. We started off by digging into the sign by twisting our forklift tire directly on top of the sign, followed by a few burnouts, and finally dragging a skid that weighs nearly 650 pounds over the top of the sign. And even in these extreme conditions, our ultra-durable Piprd floor signs held up fantastically. With just a simple wash, the sign is nearly as good as new. This is also the case for any of our other designs as well. So if you're tired of dealing with your industrial floor signs tearing and failing, give our floor signs a try. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video or found it helpful. If you would like to see any other videos by Pristine Products, you can visit our YouTube page by following the link above. Or if you have any questions or concerns for Pristine Products, you can visit us at piprd.com. That's Piprd.com.